A newlyweds honeymoon that took a dark turn had spanned across 3 states: Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. With a web of revelations and Sonam found alive, one murder mystery is now clouded by multiple angles and allegations. She was found at a dhaba on Varanasi-Ghazipur highway, mentally disturbed, crying, and telling a bizarre tale of abduction and robbery. According to Meghalaya police, Sonam allegedly conspired with lover Raj Kushwaha and hired contract killers from Indore.
The dots preliminary investigation will indicate that that's how this whole motive and crime was unearthed, because when we actually had connected the dots, it was actually Raj Kushwaha with Sonam. So when they come here, that will be confirmed. At this juncture, I will not be able to say what exactly is the motive, but it indicates towards that. See, if you look at the logical sequence of events last night, all these days Sonam was underground. People also had gone underground. And yesterday when the operation started, suddenly she surfaced.
The motive, an extramarital affair. But Sonam's father says it's all a lie. He claims she was abducted and the police are framing her. He wants a CBI probe, but police say otherwise.
सरकार से मेरी यही एक ही हाथ जोड़े की निवेदन है कि सीबीआई की मेरे को जांच चाहिए, माने चाहिए, वो मैं पीछे नहीं हटूंगा उस चीज से। वो गलत बोल रही है। क्यों? वो इसलिए गलत बोल रही है क्योंकि वहाँ की पुलिस फंस रही है। वो पुलिस वहाँ की फंस रही है। पुलिस ने वहाँ अभी कोई जांच नहीं करी, पुलिस वहाँ की फंस रही है। और ये मैं सीबीआई की मांग इसलिए ही कर रहा हूँ कि वो पुलिस का भी हाथ है इस केस में। ये राजा के मर्डर में वहाँ की पुलिस का 100% हाथ है, ये मैं गारंटी के दावे के साथ बोल रहा हूँ ये चीज।
A special investigation team traced all call records, uncovered planning in Indore, and made multiple arrests. Even the chief minister hailed the probe. The victim's brother alleged that Raj Kushwaha was employed by Sonam, and the two were in frequent contact over the phone.
जो हुआ है वो तो सोनम खुद बताएगी कि क्या हुआ था, क्या नहीं हुआ था, किसने क्या कराया गया। मैं इसमें कुछ भी बोल सकता नहीं भी, जब तक पुलिस और वहाँ की मेघालय सरकार ने जो काम कराया गया, वहाँ के जो डीआईजी ने बयान दिया है, यदि वो बयान सच निकलते हैं तो आगे आगे की कार्रवाई करी जाएगी।
Meghalaya Minister Alexander Lalu Hek, meanwhile, flagged the alleged attempts to malign the image of the state and its people.
Truth has come out, already came out, and also it has been surfacing. So all these days, the family of Raja Rajbangshi, their friends, their brothers, and their whole family, they are blaming the police of Meghalaya, they are blaming the government of Meghalaya, and particularly, is a very shameful, blaming the people of Meghalaya.
What do we know so far? The couple did not directly land in Meghalaya. Their first stop was in Assam, where they visited the Kamakhya temple in Guwahati to seek blessings. According to Raja's mother, Sonam had booked tickets to Meghalaya without informing anyone. But there's a catch. Apparently, she did not book the return tickets. As per a preliminary autopsy report, it was found that Indore-based businessman Raja Raghuvanshi was attacked twice, once on the back and front of his head. With multiple angles surrounding this tragic honeymoon tale, which one would you believe?